job. Good job.
Come on, Aiden. Woo! Let's go. No, you have to go to the ball.
No, the game.
The ball. You gotta win the ball.
No, go.
Go.
I'll hug you later. They're waiting for you.
Aiden, get going.
How are those other socks? Fine.
Aiden,
Get over
go.
Go. Nana's here. What can I tell you?
They have to stop and say hi.
Come on, Aiden.
Oh, get that ball. Aiden, get the ball. Hello, look at the ball.
What's he doing? He's not even paying attention.
Just having fun.
Yeah. He doesn't even know he's playing soccer right now.
Aiden,
No hands.
hands off.
Hey, that was good teamwork, Ethan.
Now I'll take it. I knew it was going to be
Look at him. What's he doing?
Aiden, focus.
He's playing with a shadow. Get the ball, Aiden. Come on.
Which one are they at?
They're this goal right over here.
Okay, I'll take it now, honey.
I want to see it. I want to see you notice.
Come on, focus, Aiden, focus. Look at what you're doing. Get that ball in the goal. Aiden. Shadows. Focus. There, go get the ball, Aiden.
What is he doing?
He's playing with the shadows, like I said. How's everybody doing? Good?
What's up, Toby? All right, kid?